And the green flag's back out, and we got stack up. Boris said. Jeez, Ty Dillon, come on! Gotta be freaking kidding me. Got a black flag now. Did that twice. You gotta be freaking kidding me. I'm messing up the camera angle. Kozlowski's in the dirt. I knew something was gonna happen to Menard. He's so stupid.
There's just nowhere for him to go right there. I understand he wants the spot, but
so freaking dumb.
Take those spots, and that's okay.
If it doesn't work once, then why make a second attempt? That's just stupidity at its finest, right there by Ty Dillon.
Everybody having a fan out. There's Busher on the outside. Steve, you mentioned he just wants to get done with this race. Not lose any positions.
Remember, Ty's in this championship battle too. You know, you have to be careful when you're this aggressive. I mean, certainly he came out good. He came out the good side of that. But when you are this aggressive, it's easy for other people to get aggressive with you too in the future. So you're in this championship battle. Don't take yourself out of it.
NASCAR's letting us know that Tommy Greasy in the 26 had a restart violation. That he will have to do a pass-through penalty. That was again the 3 of Ty Dillon. On that restart, getting into the 33 of Paul Menard.
Make a move here into the interlude, it would just be a wreck.
Chase Elliott.
I want to wreck because I don't want to see him down.
Return 5.
Oh, there we go. Oh God, Kenny O'Bull.
The 20 of Kenny O'Bull hit hard. Caution is out.
Well.
Turn 7. Kenny O'Bull was running 8.
Oh, he's on fire. You gotta get out. Come on, get out. There we go, there we go.
So this is safety crew getting over to him.
Having trouble getting the winning net down. Winning net got hung up.
Oh, crap.
Kenny O'Bull was running 8th. And Elliott Sadler behind him was trying to hold off the hard-charging Elliott Sadler. You guys mentioned it was probably just a matter of time.
Wow. This restart's going to be pretty interesting.
You actually see the Elliott Sadler already.
Oh, snap.
And there was Brendan Gaughan. They were both combined.
Yeah, but Kenny O'Bull came down on him. And Ryan Reed was just trying to avoid it, but jeez. He got clobbered.
Each other after the 20 spun, the 16 went into it. Yeah, Ryan Reed. Hard contact with the front of the 20.
You see the 62 on the bottom trying to make a move there. I have to say that's a very tough place to make a move. Things happen really
I don't know whose fault that was. And you can't see nothing through there. This was like, it was like pretty much the clearest angle you can get.
It's a passing zone because he made the pass, but it's just a tough
oh, jeez.
A lot of smoke, and Ryan Reed really didn't know where that 20 was going to end up.
He ended up breaking Ryan.
It's a hard shot for sure. Here, you're on.
Bang.
Man, that's a hard shot for sure. Luckily, you got to hit him in front of the driver's door a little bit. Here's back a little bit further. Looks like O'Bull gets a little loose off that, and Brendan Gaughan gets a run on him. He's definitely beside him there, but he's really deep into the
Yeah, but Kenny O'Bull came down.
I don't know.
So it's Kenny's fault.
Drove in really deep, but the 20 definitely didn't leave him a lane. The 20 he didn't know the 62 had made that run. He was right.
Well, that's what I talked about before, is that things happen so quickly there that Kenny came up, crossed the racetrack, but just didn't see him there.
Okay then. This is gonna take a little bit to clean up. Alright. Could be the final restart. I don't know if it is. Oh, Suarez. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Almost had another restart. And they're still good. They're still good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Getting a little dicey back there. Sadler. Brian Scott. Oh, whoa. Go Kozlowski. Don't want to see Logano win. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. I don't know how these guys aren't wrecking. Yeah, holy crap. They're beating and banging all over the place.
Still second with a chance to win.
Into turn 7. Lewis time by, it'll be 3 to go. Joey Logano now has led 36 laps. Having 82 runs, he has been one of the strongest, if not the strongest cars today. After a penalty, had to work his way back through the field.
Go Kozlowski.
Now his closest competition is his teammate, Brad Keselowski. But behind him, a great battle for points. Chris Buescher is third. Morrison fourth. Ty Dillon, right in the title hunt, is fifth. Right behind him, Ryan Scott, Chase Elliott in seventh.
Horse blocked his eye right there. Ty had a run on it. Horse took the inside lane. Didn't allow him the spot that he wanted. It's a good move, good block.
Yeah, but that's how frustration builds. If you think you have a run, and the guy in front of you blocks
I
all
don't
the
know.
racetrack, the next time you have that run, you
Oh,
try to make the move.
here comes Sadler.
A little push off into
He's not
the
going to get there from the outside, but I don't know what we're going to see.
So you're going to have to be careful who you block. Ty's a good road racer. You know, he had a road race almost won a couple years ago and got wrecked in the last quarter coming to get the checker. So Ty's proven that he's a good road racer.
Armstrong got turned around, refired the car, and is headed the right direction again. But
Too good.
he was running in the top 15. Now he's dropped back to 23rd.
I imagine these guys, some of these guys are going to feel, I don't know if all of them are. Probably are, but I don't know. Go Kozlowski.
His strategy is to come get tired, might work out for him. He's definitely not going to be in for the win, but perhaps the top 10, you never know, he might be able to get up. These guys here are thinking side-by-side racing, but at the front of the pack, it's still Logano, Keselowski, Penske 1-2. It's been that way most of the day. The only other two that have been out front today have been Chris Buescher, Chase Elliott. Between the two of them, they've only led 3 laps. Other than that, it's been all Penske.
Buescher, Sam, Ty Dillon. Okay, so it's either going to be a Penske car or a Penske car. I hope it's Kozlowski because I don't want to see Logano win. I don't think it'll be Logano or Kozlowski. I don't think it'll be Kozlowski, but it might be Logano.
Hit your marks. Don't make any mistakes. Both are clean through turn 1. Now up through the S's. Joey Logano has never won at Watkins Glen. Not in the Xfinity Series or in the Cup Series. He chose this race. He wanted more time on the track.
Whoa, 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 Kozlowski's throwing it in.
Only 2 are run for the Cup Series every year.
Okay, you know Logano won. Blah, blah, blah. I want to see the battle that goes on behind him.
His teammate a half of second behind. The final 2 turns for Joey Logano and Brad Keselowski.
Yeah, it looks like Logano won. So,
He hits his
that's a
first.
bummer.
6 and back through 7. Looking for his 25th career win. Coming out of turn 7.
And he will get his 25th career
Logano's gonna
win.
win at Watkins Glen.
So, who finishes where? Busher said Dylan. Alright. Ryan Sieg. Tomorrow's finishes are going to be better, the same, or worse. We obviously know that.
At least that's what the crew said.
And Morissette gets a
Teammates
chili dog,
dominated
not
at the
chili
Glen
dog.
today. They started up front 1 and 2. They finished 1 and 2 for Roger Penske. That is the 7th time that the Penske duo has finished 1 and 2. Second time it's happened here. Mike.
And a very happy Todd Gordon. It doesn't get much better than that. Winning the pole, winning the race, led 39 laps. How would you describe this day?
It's just an awesome accomplishment by this whole Snap-on team. Bunch of guys out of the shop.
I won't be surprised if there is an argument or a fight after this race. Probably not a fight, but probably an argument. Like a lot of drivers like Brendan Gaughan, Regan Smith, Ty Dillon, Paul Menard. All those guys got into everybody. They got into each other.
Yeah, it's a good chance to get a dry run. This is our cup pit group with a backwards pit stop. So you get to, we had a mistake today. We get to dissect that and figure out what we need to do differently tomorrow. But it's just get you back in the rhythm because it's a different race. And good for the driver, good for the crew chief, good for the group. Congratulations. Thank you.
Whole team going for the sweep tomorrow.
Yeah, big numbers for Joey Logano in the Xfinity Series this season. This is just his 8th start and his 4th win already. 50% of his starts he's made his way to victory lane at the end. And the domination continues on road courses.
Yep.
7 wins, 4 of the last 7 races. And now up over 52% of the laps led since 2011 on road courses. Team Penske has figured out how to turn left and right.
They got time to go. Penske cars were almost a second faster than the rest of the field. So
Yeah, there we go. A little conversation with Regan Smith, Brendan Gaughan, just like I called it.
We saw that there was issues
He was a
earlier
little bit
between
ticked
those
off.
two.
He's probably going to see Ty Dillon. Probably why he's walking down. Okay, yeehaw, you want to Xfinity race. I want to see Regan Smith and what he does next. He's probably going to talk to Ty Dillon.
Donuts around the track in front of all the fans. A great crowd on hand here today.
How many burnouts do you need to do? Oh, there we go!
Ty Dillon, Regan Smith.
Yeah, take off his hat! Get him! Get him, Regan, get him!
We saw Ty Dillon get into Regan Smith.
Jeez, he's got a grip on him.
The discussion has been well.
I called it. I called everything.
Road course race is coming in the next 3 weeks.
Where's Mason?
Don't forget. Oh, there's a good one to mix in between the 2 road courses.